Hi, it's Ms. Todoric from the Cool Classroom, aka the Computer Classroom. All right, so today I canceled all membership. So it got a little confusing with all the different levels. So what I did is just going to be professor only. And if you take a look, it will show you in the past we had all the various levels. We had Excel. Hi, this is Ms. Todoric from the Cool Classroom. Let me pause that. Then we had Access, PowerPoint, and every level was like 19 and 29 and 39 and 50, 49 for like PowerPoint. And then I started doing other test out programs. So what I'm going to do is just going to be all professors. So if you're a professor teacher, this is called the Professor All Access. And this will give you at one flat rate my entire channel content. All right, so that includes every single test out course. There's a bunch of courses I can show you, full access to all my lesson plans on the website. So we have thecoolclassroom.com, and then we have discounted merchandise also on thecoolclassroom.com. If you take a look, let me go over here. These are the courses, all the test out courses. So this is Test Out Pro Certified Microsoft Word. So you're going to see all the lessons. A lot of these lessons, they have a different number. So I would suggest go to the playlist, or you could just search the title, like leave out the 4.3, and then you'll find it. So it's either under here or the Office Pro. So Microsoft Word is very similar to all the lessons, if not exactly the same, on Test Out Office Pro. All right, so these are complete full walkthroughs. And what I mean by full walkthroughs is I show you step by step of how to complete the task. As opposed to a lot of lessons on Learn Network, I will show you just the explanation. So you have to do the work. So it tells you exactly what step to do. It's kind of like the answer key. Whereas this one I show you, and it's probably a little bit longer, 10 minutes at least each lab. Some of them are like 20, and then the full test on Office Pro is like an hour long. And then we have CertMaster Learn Tech, same thing, explanation, Client Pro, a lot of the questions, explanations only, Desktop Pro Plus. We have Test Out Digital Literacy. I have a bunch of walkthroughs in addition to explanations on that one. IT Fundamentals Pro, Linux Pro, Network Pro. So these are all playlists. And then we have the Office Pro, PC Pro, Microsoft Excel. I got to double check. I might be missing a few labs, but this is probably similar if you want to go to the other Office piece, Office Pro. So just search within the playlist, or even just click on content and just search the title of that video that you need without the numbers, because the numbers do change. And then we have routing and switching, and then test out security. So you're going to see probably like 12, whatever this is, all playlists. That's the easiest way to find content on my channel. So once you're on my channel, close this, go to playlists. And this is the easiest way to find all the content. So I started organized. There's probably it's a lot of like 70 playlists. I know it's a lot, but here you'll see like Test Out Linux, you'll have 37 videos. Client Pro, you'll have 38, 234 on CertMaster Learn. Office Pro is all walkthroughs. So that's 221 videos. This includes Microsoft Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint, you name it, it's in here. So if I show you like what a walkthrough is, let me just show you one example. I'm just going to fast forward. How do we get in here? Okay, so like this, it will tell you the task and I will show you exactly what to do. So that's what I mean by full walkthrough. As opposed to, let me go back to another playlist and show you what an explanation is. So hold on. If I go to my channel, if I go playlist, and then we're going to CertMaster Learn right here. So you'll see on this one, it's a minute. So you see it's very short. Okay, so I did the walkthrough on that one. Okay, so let's see. There's some, what is this? Like right here. Okay, so I guess I did the walkthrough. I want an explanation only. Hold on. There's explanation. So I guess these are, let me get another playlist. Merry Christmas one. Okay, let's get a playlist. Explanation only. So we have routing and switching. Okay, let's do this. It might say these are practice questions. Okay, let's see this. These are questions. Okay, so those are just questions and answers. But I want to show. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. So with the explanation, it's kind of hard to see. Switch it to settings. It's kind of hard to say. I hope it's not like that on your end. But okay, so with the explanation, you'll see it's just the steps like that. And a lot of routing and switching, I believe. Let's see, I think, yeah, right here. So you'll have the steps, and I will redo it if it's kind of blurry. I don't know why this is so blurry. Hope it, yeah, that's weird. All right, so that's what I mean by explanation. And then most, like I said, I'm still working on the full walkthroughs with all of them. But once again, yeah, so everything is just going to be that professor membership category. And like I said, it's going to be just about everything, all those. So if you watch the old videos, you'll see how it was changing over time. We had like one category, then I added another one. So this is the new updated membership video where it's just all included, just absolutely one category. And then don't even worry about that business. There's also like one business sponsor. All right. So thanks for being a member. Happy holidays. Happy 2025. Ooh, I almost said 24, 25. And you'll see. So if you are a student YouTuber, you can email me, Wendy Todoric at Gmail, and I will include you as long as you're consistent. I put my consistent student YouTubers up front, as well as my like second channels and stuff like that, which over the summer I'll probably do a little bit more on Healthy House. And then underneath that, I started separating business courses that I currently teach here, like Intro to Business, Social Media Marketing, Web Design, Entrepreneurship, Computer Apps, some old courses in the past, And then, you know me, all my YouTube shorts are all on different companies I love. So I love doing little commercials and teaching you about the companies out there, how to apply for a job. So there might be some resume writing, company research projects. And here's all our test out and CompTIA, all the playlists. I recently got back onto Nitro Type, so you'll see a Nitro Type playlist. And every now and then I'm still back on typing with that game. A little bit about me, music videos. So this is just the whole all about me playlist. Oops, let me go back. That was a fan mail. Kobe, this is my nephew's new channel, so subscribe to at Luca. So right there. So he's got My Life with Kobe. That's his channel. And then my son, who's doing amazing, he's very consistent. So that's Kai2Fly. He does Fortnite and Minecraft. And if you scroll down, I put the channel members, which again, a lot of you probably might, stop the membership or I hope you upgrade. If not, it's probably going to be very few, only because the price is high. But hopefully, you guys can watch my resume writing, side hustles, things you can do to earn extra income or that passive income. I strongly urge you. YouTube is great. Um, and then that's pretty much it. So that's the entire channel. And now more simplified professor only membership. All right. We'll see how that goes. I might make future changes, but for now, we'll just keep it like that. Hope all is well. And until next time, thanks for watching.